This is more Bethel. Yeah, I know. Wow.
Well, they're making lumber.
Where's my cloth?
They're making lumber out of the trees that have been washed down. I don't know. I took it off of there and back. See if I threw it back. Don't see it. Don't know.
Look at all this was underwater. Look at all this mud.
And the mud's over the top of my truck.
It's washed out here.
Honey, there's a car and there's a big
see.
dip in the road right here. Right, really big dip. I don't think you're going to be able to go much further. It looks like they're doing construction.
We always say that, and we always manage to find our way through. Ye of little faith.
We didn't get over that last one on 12, did we?
No, we didn't get over the one on 12. We found a way around it.
Because I looked at the map and found it.
There's people down there. It's funny with the cars.
They're getting the trees, all the trees that have been, unless this was an old lumber yard or no logging.
Now again, we're in Bernard. No, we're in Bethel. This is all Bethel. And we found our way around the road closed in Bernard. Now we're down here. I'm not sure what we're doing now.
No, we're just kind of winging it.
One lane bridge.
That might be the only way to get around. No, I don't. Emergency only.
Okay.
Yeah, only to get there. Oh my gosh.
Wow. Unbelievable. Emergency only?
Yes, emergency only. They spelled emergency wrong.
Alright, so I'm just going to get out. I understand. I'm just going to get out here real quickly. And then we'll end and we'll head back to the highway because that's where we're going now. Oh, 8 ton. So it's not emergency only, it just means, well, I guess if you only have to go across. But it's 8 ton. Look at all the debris stacked up on the sides here. Wow. Just everywhere. Just unbelievable. So again, this is Bethel again. We certainly heard they got it pretty bad. That's why we came up this way. Look at all this stacked up here. Amazing. Wow. That's the bridge we came across. That was pretty scary looking. It's that bridge right there. And that is really scary looking. Alright. So we're going to head up and see Matt from here. It says 8 ton. So obviously they're just trying to have the locals use it, but it's good for 8 tons is what it's rated for. Wow. Wow, look at this. I mean, just amazing. Look at all this stuff.
On the top there, you see that? All that landslide up here?
Oh, wow. No, I didn't. Oh, great. Sorry, guys, but I got so much dust on my thing now you can't see. Look at that. Washed right out. Huge wash out there. Came right down in. Look at that. Wow. And look here. It's going to be beach sand around here forever now. Alright. Well, I don't think we knew people were going across there, did we?
No, I know, but you don't know.
Alright, so people are regularly going across this bridge that says emergency 8 ton. And I can't believe 2 cars would be going at the same time. Oh my gosh, what is wrong with these people? Each vehicle is going to weigh a couple tons. But that's not the best way to do it. And we're not blocking the road, honey. I pulled off to the side. So we'll film this guy, see if he drops in. He made it. All right. Hey, cool.